everyone, I hope you're having a good day. Thought I would share an experience with you over the weekend that left me slightly bemused is what I'll use for now. You've probably seen some of my videos on cleaning my Gaggia coffee machine, and I'm quite pedantic about, a clean coffee machine produces a really good clean coffee, so you want to keep everything well maintained. It's like anything, if you drive your car, you bring it for a service. If you use your coffee machine a lot, I would use mine daily. You want to have it serviced and clean, so I've shown loads of videos on that. But at the weekend, something caught me out when I was cleaning my coffee steam wand. So this is the steam wand that you get with your Gaggia Classic, and it comes with a lot of different coffee machines. And when I was breaking that down, I noticed there was a little bit of milk kind of stuck in it, and I started trying to get at the coffee wand. Anyway, let's get into a breakdown of the coffee wand. And okay, so here's my Gaggia coffee machine, and the piece I'm talking in question is here, the steam wand. Now, okay, so here we have the tube. Hopefully you can see that a little bit better. So that's the tube that you take off your coffee machine, and you can see, as I mentioned there, this all dismantles down, and I'm just going to grab just a coffee thermometer to show you how much you can take out of this, and I would recommend that you take all the pieces out. I'm actually missing, I think, a small little washer off that, so you can probably even see there little bit of residue on there, but I have cleaned this as thoroughly as I can. And as you could probably see, there's a small tiny little hole that builds up, the pressure from the coffee machine, and the air is being blown down through here, and then that funnels down into, right, there we go. So now hopefully you can see there's a series of chambers there. 1, 2, there's 4 around the side, 1 in the middle, and you've got what I thought was just one piece of plastic when I initially looked at it, but this center section actually comes out. So let me show you how I got this out. Not the easiest of pieces to remove. I actually used, and it really depends what you have on hand. So I've just taken one of my skewers here, and I basically put the piece on like that. Now you can see there the skewer is only going in about halfway, and I've got the chopping board out here, but I had to give this quite a whack to get it out, and I would be careful doing that. Obviously get a chopping board, it's well in place, but you can see now when that comes out, there's the piece in question. So when I took this out the other day, this was completely gunged up with milk. And what I actually noticed on my coffee machine was the pressure had dropped, and it looked to me like the milk was coming, or the steam was coming out the top of the wand as much as it was coming out the bottom of the wand. So obviously the blockage in here, I think it was blocked on 2 sides. The blockage in here was causing only a partial amount of the steam to come through. So anyway, from there you can basically give that a good wash under your sink with a cloth, whatever you use to clean that. And this clicks back, and this is why I had to use a little bit of effort. This clicks back into place. So if you see here, hopefully you heard that click okay, and it freely moves within the within the sheath, one inside the other. But once it's in, it's not going to pop back out. So that's why it's quite tough to get out. Now obviously be careful using pointy objects like this. So that's it back off. So anyway, that's a cleaning tip I just wanted to share with you. I was a little bit grossed out when I saw it coming out, and hopefully that'll you know, after, as soon as I got back to the coffee machine, started steaming again, there was none of this residual steam coming off the top, and perfect milk. I believe it only blocked up in the last week or two. As I said, even though I'm cleaning this regularly on a daily basis, milk just cooks very, very quickly. So, and what I mean by it cooks, you know, you will wipe this down on the outside all the time, and you're constantly expelling steam through this. But if you leave it for, you know, if you don't fully steam it out, or you leave it for a second, if there's any milk in here, it will cook and basically, you know, nearly turn into like an egg cream substance within the tube. So even though you think you've cleaned it out thoroughly, I'm pretty sure if you go and open up your steam one now, if you haven't been dismantling it from this centerpiece, then there's probably going to be some residual cream gathered in there. So that's it for now. Hope that helps. Leave any feedback from what you found. Obviously, you know, if you want to leave a photo in the comments to gross some people out, by all means. I didn't want to share the photo of what came out the other day, but it wasn't pleasant. It's only cream at the end of the day. So, but obviously, you know, when you're steaming, it's all about the consistency of steam coming out to get your foam good for your coffee. Okay, I'll leave it at that. Have a good day.